West Mountain Radio RIGrunner, unboxing and setup. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. You've invested an awful lot of money in your rigs and transceivers. One of the ways you need to protect that is to get a great power distribution source. The West Mountain Radio RIGrunner is just that. Let's take a look at the unboxing and setup that I used to test the IC-705. Without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the RIGrunner. Here it is in the box from West Mountain Radio. And the model number of the RIGrunner that I got is 4008. And it tells you it does include a owner's manual. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. RIGrunner does provide you with a great instruction booklet here. And it is very detailed. I do highly recommend that you read through this before you first use your RIGrunner. And it gives you the specifications for each one along with their warning on the back. The RIGrunner comes in a nice foam packet right here. Really, it protects everything very well. And here's the RIGrunner itself. It's very solid, very well put together. You can take a look and see it has the over, normal, and under lights over here. It has the DC input, which is a 40 amp fuse over there. And then we're going to go ahead. The first three fuses are 25 amps. The next two are 10 amps. Then 5, 1, and 1 amp. And you can see there are 4 holes to be able to mount your RIGrunner. And here's the back of it. Like I said again, it's very solid, very well constructed. Now let's go ahead and take a look at setting up the RIGrunner with the 705. Here's my Bio-NO battery that I'm going to use for the 705. And here's a cable that I got off of Quicksilver, which has proved to be very useful, that will interface perfectly with the 705. And of course, here's the 705 itself. So let's go ahead and hook up the battery. And see the green light comes on that says everything is normal. And we're going to go ahead and use the 5 amp fuse. And we will stick that in the IC-705 over here. And you can see the charging light is on. And let's go ahead and power up the 705. And the 705 is powering up. It goes through your menu. What's nice with the 705, it tells you the battery status right away, right up front. So you definitely know that. And there is the unboxing and setup of the RIGrunner. Question of the day. What did you think of the unboxing and setup of the West Mountain Radio RIGrunner? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 3s, everyone.